How to reset Insta360 Go Ultra to factory settings. So first of all, make sure that your device is turned on. Then scroll down from above and tap on the gear icon to go to settings. From here, scroll down below and then you'll see factory reset option. Tap on it. Now over here you can see that if you follow this step, you will only be able to reset the camera settings. It won't delete any files. So just go ahead and tap on confirm. Now, after you reset your camera's factory setting, the device will be turned off and then turned on automatically. Then all you would have to do is start by setting up a language for your device, then tap on next. Then you would have to follow the tutorial again. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.